We found that while some organizations may be effective at developing and bringing to market a product or service, they often need help creating polished supporting documentation such as manuals, product specifications, or training materials. This is where our team of technical writers come in. We provide technical writing services to organizations across multiple industries. We've worked with leading telecoms, government agencies, commercial equipment manufacturers, as well as design firms that work for large retail companies. From these experiences, we see common signs that documentation may need professional expertise. These can include inconsistencies in content formatting or writing style between your products, a lack of visuals that help clearly convey concepts and make documentation appealing, poor accessibility to your documentation, or product or user documentation that still leaves clients with too many how-to questions. We have also helped companies with employee-facing documentation. This is especially helpful when employees need consistent training on new workflows or with the implementation of new systems or tools. And we get called into action when documentation is required within tight timelines, when existing content needs to be repackaged for online audiences, and when content needs to be edited for English-speaking audiences. With deep instructional design experience that goes beyond our CAD expertise, we've recommended and designed intelligent PDFs, custom courseware, e-learning content, interactive tutorials, user quizzes, and instructional animations in support of all our client initiatives. Relying on a proven project workflow that keeps your project on time and on budget, our team of full-time technical writers, instructional designers, and subject matter experts tackle your project using state-of-the-art technology and authoring tools. Our goal is always to generate professional documentation that ultimately strengthens your brand to create better customer or employee experiences. To find out more about ASCENT's technical writing solutions, view our recent projects, or give us a call. For ASCENT, I'm Paul Burton.